At least if I die, there'll be footage.
We are back. It's been a little bit. Everyone's been pretty busy with work. Adam at UPS, I mean, holiday season, you never see him anymore. And I've been back at the mountain, so nice to be home on break for a little bit. I'm headed to Tyler's, and he started racing Snocross again. It's been, I don't know, maybe 10 years since he rode Snocross, so we're gonna go to the practice track today where he rides and see if we can film a little bit of that. It is real cold though. It's like 19 degrees, so if the camera batteries get zapped, we'll be on the iPhone clips, but we'll see how it goes. What thing you have?
Well, I mean, you got this extra 90 on the end.
And it's killing you. We got glue stuck for days, class cleaner, heat gun, carbon choke.
We'll get her.
We're one grip in 20 minutes.
I'm focusing. Leave me alone.
Take 5. No. Nice fit, dude.
Better be ready, we're going rallying.
Yeah, knee braces on. Tech mask, boots. I guess I didn't come.
Yeah.
Wonder how hard it is.
How many years now has it been since you rode Snocross?
Well, I did calculations roughly, and I was underestimating it. It's been about 14 years.
I guess 10.
No, because I've been out of high school for 10 years, and when I last rode Snocross, I was like 15. That's about to be.
We just embrace the only life we know. If it was me, I'd tell you, nigga, live your life and grow. I tell you, finish where we started, reach them heights, you know. And gas the V12 to the pipe and smoke.
Wake up alone. I don't need cars, I don't need clothes. Forget that money. Cause if I go home all on my own, it ain't worth nothing. Will you still care in the morning? With the magic's gone, gone.
Another $1 million bill, that's just some regular shit. See my granny on the jet, some shit I never forget. Next day we flew to Vegas with my Puma Connects. Break bread, we ain't new to success. Play music at best. Enterprise, take lucrative steps. Cold game, but I knew it was chess. As a youth in the set, learn the game, you a student at best. But it's a couple things you can expect. Look, just like money, no money, the shooters respect. Other shooters, we was both doing my crew on your neck. I'm on the freeway in a drop, it got me losing my breath. I do the dash with the blues on the
I think you're faster than Tyler, Sammy.
I think so.
Probably.
He looks it.
Really, if my sled wasn't faster, he'd be just as fast.
Yeah, I can.
Who's faster, you or your sister?
Me, obviously.
Ooh.
I'm catching up to you.
Xbox or snowmobiles?
Ooh, that's a hard one.
How is that a hard one?
That's not hard.
That's bad.
Snowmobile. Snowmobile.
We was lurking on her, ain't show no mercy on her. We was going back to back, we put a curfew on her.
Maybe not the first time.
Alright.
I'll try.
Okay.
Don't be expecting anything crazy.